Hello, I'm Jon Alba with the Channel Company. And with new releases and announcements coming out of Computex at the beginning of June, Supermicro and AMD continue to make critical progress in their AI and HPC offerings. Here to tell me more about what's new and coming up is Mahesh Balasubramanian from AMD. Mahesh, thank you so much for your time. And let's start with this. With the focus and growth around AI for both AMD and Supermicro, what's on the horizon for this partnership?
So currently on the AMD MI300X and MI300A solutions, we have a great set of choice of solutions for our users, ranging from 2U to 8U solutions, both air-cooled and liquid-cooled. As you can see, looking forward to, we have future products that we announced with MI325 and MI350 series, which are going to bring new innovation, new performance, new energy efficiency to the market. And together with Supermicro, we are building some of the best solutions we can to bring these latest innovations to the AI market and to the developers building the latest and greatest Gen AI solutions.
Now, Mahesh, we know software is a huge part for companies when it comes to running applications and providing complete solutions. So what are some of the advantages that we can expect to see from AMD Instinct?
So AMD is committed to an open source software solutions. We believe that the industry working together brings the best innovation to the market. So our software solution, ROCm, is completely open source. And in fact, every piece of work that we do working with our ecosystem, we ensure we upstream all of that work to the native source repository. So as an example, AMD supports some of the leading frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Onyx, JAX, that help developers quickly deploy their AI solutions without having to be locked into proprietary solutions. Along with that, ROCm also offers a rich ecosystem of tools for developers as well as for data center management, workload orchestration, enabling users to have this choice as they try to deploy and scale their AI models. Leveraging these open source model also means that we can leverage the strengths of a broader ecosystem of the community, meaning we can get faster development and more innovation into our solution.
You've explained a little bit how AMD and Supermicro are working closely to develop solutions for the rapidly evolving AI and HPC landscape. So can you tell us even more about some of the innovative solutions available for tackling some of these challenges?
So together, working with Supermicro, AMD has offered the largest memory capacity available for Gen AI developers. As these models get bigger and bigger, MI300X in these Supermicro servers provide 1.5 terabytes of memory for these users for their large language models. That's an innovation that is not possible elsewhere. That's on the AI front, but what about on the HPC? So with MI300A, the world's first data center APU form factor, which brings in both CPUs and GPUs in a single chip, Supermicro offers solutions there as well. In fact, the liquid-cooled 2U solutions is so compact and so performant that it brings these choice to users where they can leverage an APU form factor to get performance which was completely not possible with the traditional CPU and GPU heterogeneous systems.
A lot being offered here. So for companies that may be interested in adopting or testing these Supermicro and AMD MI300 solutions, how or where do they even start?
Well, we are excited to work with all of them. We want them to reach out to us. We are reaching out to them actively. So if you have a Supermicro or an AMD representative, call us. We would love to engage. We'd love to see how we can continue driving your innovation and bringing that solution to the market.
Well, it's been a pleasure having you with us here today, Mahesh, and thanks to all of you who are at home watching. You can learn more about AMD and Supermicro at the web address on your screen. Thanks for tuning in.